kung ang presidente ng Ukraine, mga sangkay, ay pinalayas noon ni President Donald Trump sa White House, iba naman po kay PBBM. Aba, mga sangkay, bilib na bilib po itong si Donald Trump sa ating presidente. So masyadong putok na putok po itong balita ngayon, no? Itong nangyaring pagkikita na po for the first time ni PBBM at President Donald Trump na meeting po talaga kasi ang pagkakaalam ko, nagkaroon po sila ng pag-uusap, kamustahan lang nung time na pumanaw po itong yung Pope, yung Santo Papa. O, nagkaroon po sila ng kamustahan lang, ganun lang, saglit lang mga sanggay. Pero dito, nag-usap na po talaga sila at tingnan po natin, no? Kasi dito, itong si Donald Trump mukhang bilib na bilib sa presidente ng Pilipinas. Buhay na naman po mga sangkay ang alyansa ng Pilipinas at Amerika. Bago tayo magpatuloy, guys, amang hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe. Naku po. Pag hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, naku, late ka na. Kaya dapat i-subscribe mo na ngayon. Kasi nga po, 1.53 million subscribers na po tayo. Padami po tayo ng padami, kaya kung hindi ka pa po nakakapag-subscribe, makikita nyo po yung subscribe button sa baba ng video na to. I-click nyo lamang po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click nyo po yung all. Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Alright guys, eto na nga. Tingnan po natin itong napakatinding balita. Ito po yung pagkikita ni PBBM at ni US President Donald Trump.
Well, thank you very much, everybody. It's a great honor to have President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Of the Philippines, a great family legacy.
Nabanggit po dito yung legasiya ng pamilya Marcos ni President Donald Trump. Of course, guys. Alam po, kilala po ni Donald Trump si Madam Imelda.
And highly respected in this country. I know that because I have many friends in the Philippines, and there's great respect. Or couldn't say it, so congratulations. We're going to be talking about trade. We're going to be talking about war and peace. We're a very important nation militarily, and we've had some great drills lately. We're back with them. I think I can say that the last administration.
Ayan na. Ito po yung time na kanina, di ba, napag-usapan natin. Binakbakan po ni Donald Trump si PRRD. Dito na, banggit niya po mismo ito mga sangkay. Mismo sa harap po ni PBBM. Binoljak si Tatay Digong.
I was not getting along with them too well. They didn't get along with anybody. They didn't know. Honestly, they didn't know what they were doing. But we have some fantastic military relationships with the Philippines, and that's been reinstituted. And Pete, I would say that you couldn't be happier, right, with the relationship.
Great partners.
So I just want to say it's an honor to have you. We're going to talk about trade today. And we're very close to finishing a trade deal. Big trade.
Tingnan po natin mabuti paano sila mag-usap. At dito nga po natin masasabi na talagang si BBM ang may kakayahan na makipag-usap sa international. Kaya niya po kasi makipagsabayan sa harap ng mga malalaking leaders.
Great deal, actually. And we do a lot of business with you. It's a lot of income coming in for both groups. But I was surprised to see the kind of numbers. They're very big, and they're going to get bigger under what we're doing and what we're proposing. And I just want to thank you for being with us. It's a great honor. You and your representatives, really a great honor.
Alam nyo guys, talagang iyakan ngayon yung mga mga anti-Marcos kasi di talaga nila in-expect na itong dalawang to mga sangkay talagang namang ganun po ka ayos mag-uusap.
Have a big announcement. AstraZeneca, the big drug company, is going to spend $50 billion. Just announced $50 billion in the United States in order to build various places all over the country, big manufacturing plants, pharmaceutical plants all over the country. So that's a few words, please.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Ito. Pakinggan nyo magsalita si PBBM sa harap nila.
Of course, we're all very happy to be here to once again reaffirm the very strong ties between the Philippines and the United States.
Yan talaga, mga sangkay. Yan yung, ganito si BBM magsalita kapag ka-English. Di ba? Kapag ka-Tagalog, medyo nauutal siya kasi hindi talaga siya ganun ka, pag salitang Ilocano siguro, no? Pero, eto na. Tingnan po ninyo paano makipag-usap si PBBM. And, imagine ninyo, kung halimbawa si VP Sarang nakaupo dyan, paano niya i-explain, paano niya ibibida ang Pilipinas sa international. Diyos mio, Marimar, tingnan niyo yung kaibahan ng ating presidente. Matalino talaga itong si BBM.
States ties that go back over 100 years. And considering the context in which we live these days, especially in my part of the world, this has evolved into as important a relationship as is possible to have. We must remember that the United States is our only treaty partner in the Philippines, and that has stood us in good stead over the years, certainly through the Second World War, and the cultural memory of all Filipinos, down to even the school children, is that our strongest, closest, most reliable ally has always been the United States. That is something that we value, that we are grateful for, and that we will continue.
Kung paano po ibida ni PBBM ang Pilipinas sa mga Amerikano, no? Mismo si Donald Trump, tingnan nyo kung paano siya tumingin kay PBBM.
To foster as we go on. With the leadership of President Trump, I am very confident that we will be able to achieve that. I think it is worthwhile to remember that it was President Trump who, in his first term, characterized the relationship between the Philippines and the United States as ironclad. And that has been necessarily the case since that time that you made that statement, sir.
Galing ni BBM mag-English, no?
And it is something that the Philippines will always hold close to its heart. Thank you once again, and we are honored, and it is our great pleasure to be here and to visit with the President of the United States. Thank you, sir.
It's my great honor. Any questions, please?
Oh, so, yan mga sangkay, medyo mahaba to, pero dito po tayo. We respect Marcos greatly. A tough negotiator. Compliment pa sa presidente natin, mga sangkay. Oh, pakinggan mo natin.
We love them. And we respect their leader greatly.
We respect their leader.
This is their leader. Thank you. And he's very tough on negotiating, but that's okay. It'll work out. Very good.
We respect Marcos Jr. greatly. A tough negotiator. Sabi nang nag-post dito, paano na? Mga DDS, ang tatay. Kaya nga po ngayon mga sangkay, galit na galit po sila. Hindi sila makapaniwala. Nashock po talaga sila ngayon sa mga nangyari sa ginawa ni Trump. Kasi alam nyo, siguro nagdadasal po sila, nananalangin po itong mga DDS na sana pagdating ni Marcos, sabihin ni Trump na, ikaw, ano ka? Bangag ka, di ba? Yan yung mga pauso nila, yung mga sangkay, di ba? Ngayon, eto na. Ano sabi? Baliktad sa iniisip ng mga DDS. Kasi ang sabi ni Donald Trump,
We love them.
We love them.
And we respect their leader greatly. This is their leader. Thank you. And he's very tough on negotiating, but that's okay. It'll work out. Very good.
Ako, iyakan yung mga DDS dito, mga sangkay. Talagang hindi po nila ito matatanggap na mula po mismo sa bibig ni Donald Trump, sinabi na we respect Marcos Jr. greatly. May compliment pa at tough negotiator. Ako, mga sangkay. Sabi nga dito, paano na? Iyak na lang po sila. If that statement is true, then he must negotiate for more military equipment from the US. Actually, ginagawa na po yan, mga sanggay. Di ko ma-imagine si Sara Duterte sa ganitong senaryo. Yun nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Just imagine, di ba, si VP Sara. Ako wala akong problema kay VP Sara eh. Okay? Wala akong problema sa kanya. Ang naisip ko lang kasi, kung baga natatawa ako, kung kapag naisip ko na, what if si VP Sara ang presidente, then he is talking to world leaders, ano na lamang po yung kanyang sasabihin doon? Mambihira. Well, ano po ang inyong opinion, guys? Ayan po. Ano tawag dito? Donald Trump at saka si PBBM. Mambihira. May YouTube channel tayo, Sangkay Revelation. Hanapin niyo po ito ngayon sa YouTube. Kapag nakita nyo na, i-click nyo po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell at i-click nyo po yung all. Ako na po ay magpapaalam, mag-iingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.